The state Route 71 Blackbird remains one of the most extraordinary aircraft ever built, and even when discussed in a 2026 context, its legacy feels ahead of its time. Designed during the Cold War, this legendary reconnaissance jet still defines what extreme speed, altitude, and engineering ambition look like in aviation history. Built by Lockheed Skunk Works, the state Route 71 was engineered to fly faster and higher than any enemy threat. With a top speed exceeding Mach 3.2 and cruising altitudes above 85,000 feet, it could outrun surface-to-air missiles and interceptor jets with sheer velocity rather than defensive weapons. One of the most remarkable aspects of the state Route 71 is its airframe, which was primarily constructed from titanium. This choice was necessary because the aircraft's skin would heat intensely at high speeds, sometimes expanding several inches during flight. Even today, such material engineering is considered advanced. The Blackbird's engines were another revolutionary element. The Pratt & Whitney J58 engines functioned as hybrid turbojet ramjets, transitioning airflow in a way that made sustained Mach 3 flight possible. At cruising speed, most of the thrust came from the engine's inlet system rather than the engine core itself. In operational terms, the state Route 71 redefined strategic reconnaissance. It could cross continents in hours, capture high-resolution intelligence, and return home before adversaries even realized it had entered their airspace. Not a single state Route 71 was ever shot down in combat, a record unmatched in aviation. Despite being retired in the late 1990s, the state Route 71 still outperforms many modern aircraft in raw speed. Even in 2026, no operational jet has surpassed its top speed in sustained flight, highlighting how far ahead of its era the design truly was. The cockpit environment was demanding, requiring pilots to wear full-pressure suits more similar to astronaut gear than traditional flight suits. Operating the state Route 71 was as much a physical challenge as a technical one, demanding absolute precision and discipline from its crew. From a technological standpoint, many stealth and high-speed concepts used today trace their roots back to the Blackbird program. Its reduced radar signature, advanced sensors, and data-gathering systems laid foundations for modern surveillance platforms and stealth aircraft. Maintenance of the state Route 71 was famously complex. The aircraft leaked fuel on the ground by design, only sealing properly once the structure heated up in flight. While impractical by civilian standards, this compromise was essential for achieving its unmatched performance. In a modern 2026 discussion, the state Route 71 is often compared to hypersonic research programs. While newer concepts aim for Mach 5 and beyond, the Blackbird's reliability and operational success remain benchmarks that experimental platforms have yet to equal. Culturally, the state Route 71 has become an icon of engineering courage and innovation. It represents a period when pushing physical limits was seen as the best solution to national security challenges, and budgets were secondary to technological supremacy. The state Route 71 Blackbird is more than just the fastest jet ever built, it is a symbol of what human creativity can achieve when boundaries are ignored. Even decades after its retirement, its speed, design, and legacy continue to dominate aviation conversations in 2026.